In this video, I'm going to show you where you can find your drafts on Instagram. If you find this useful, do consider subscribing to this channel and give me a like to this video. So without further ado, let's go to my phone and let me show you how. First of all, open up your Instagram app, and then if you go to bottom right, this is for you if you are looking to find the draft of your reels. Just click on the second icon, right, the video icon, and then you can see here drafts and trial reel. And click on that, you can see drafts and trial reels. Okay. Other place you can find where all your drafts are, whether it is story, posts, or reels. You can click the plus icon at the top left, okay, and then you can see reels, right? And you click reels, and then you can see drafts here. They can see the draft here, okay. Another place you can find for stories is you click plus, click on story, and then if there's a draft, you can see here there will be a draft there as well. But so far I don't have a draft, so there's nothing there. All right. If you want to click on post, same thing as well. Go on post. And you can see draft here, so I have a draft here as well. So these posts, you have everything including reels. Okay, so yeah, so this is where you can find drafts on Instagram. If you like what I share, do like this video and consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.